So here we have the BlackJack 24 and the standard setup with the stock motor, and then we are running 6S and a Castle Hydra X8S, and we are running the OSE CNC brass props here, as you can see. And these are, this one is the 46mm version. I think it's a 1.6 pitch, so it's going to be very interesting to see what kind of numbers we can get from basically a ready to run propeller, which is very much different to when you buy an ABC prop, which will need some love and care to be sharp and balanced and all those things. These ones are ready to purchase from OSE, and I'm running it just as it comes in this configuration. Track, start, stop, read, zeroed out, track, start, and we are tracking. Let's see. Much faster, much faster. Let's see. Now we have the EPA at 100, so hopefully that makes quite a bit of a difference, even though 100 still feels like quite a bit when it's been a while since running. So here we go. Stop and read. 116. Quite a bit better, you must say. That's awesome. That's awesome. That was the BlackJack boost battle for today. Hopefully you enjoyed.